Systems of linear equations. For SAT-style problems, easy to hard. Here is the deal. The wrong answers on the SAT are not random numbers. Each one is a specific mistake the test writers expect you to make. So for every problem we will get the answer, and then name the trap behind every wrong choice. That second part is what moves your score. Problem 1, easy.
X plus y = 12.
X minus y equals 4. What is the value of x? For choices, 4, 6, 8, or 16. Pause and solve it. Add the two equations. The y terms cancel instantly. 2x equals 16, so x equals 8. Answer C. On easy systems, always look for the cancel before you isolate anything. One line of setup, done. Now the traps. Choice A, for that is y, not x. Answering the wrong variable is the single most common systems error. Choice B, 6, that is 12 divided by 2 using only the first equation. And choice D, 16, that is 2x. You did the math right and stopped one step early. The test counts on it. Problem 2, medium. 2x plus 3y equals 19. 3x plus 2y equals 16. What is the value of x plus y? Choices, 2, 5, 7, 35. Pause and solve it. Do not solve for x and y. The question asks for x plus y, so make x plus y appear. Add the equations. 5x plus 5y equals 35. Factor. 5 times the quantity x plus y equals 35. Divide x plus y is 7. Answer C. One step. The traps here are brutal because they punish correct work. A is 2, that is x alone. B is 5, that is y alone. Both come from solving the entire system, spending 90 seconds, and then answering a question that was never asked. And D35 is stopping at 5x plus 5y and forgetting to divide by 5. Read what is asked, then stop exactly there. Problem 3, medium, the word problem. A theater sells adult tickets for $14 and child tickets for $9. It sells 45 tickets for $520 total. How many adult tickets? Choices, 20, 22, 23, 25. Pause and solve it. Two equations. A plus c is 45, and 14 a plus 9c is 520. Substitute c equals 45 minus a. 14, a plus 405 minus 9, a equals 520. That is 5 a equals 115, so a equals 23. Answer C. And run the 5-second check. 14 times 23 plus 9 times 22 is exactly 520. Choice B, 22, is the killer. That is the number of child tickets. Perfect algebra, wrong variable reported. The other two are arithmetic slips. 20 comes from dropping the 15 in 115, 25 from a drop sign while expanding. The plug-back check catches all three. Problem 4, hard. 1/2 x plus ky equals 8, and 3x plus 12y equals 48, where k is a constant. If the system has infinitely many solutions, what is k? Choices, 4, 2, 6, or 1/2. Pause and solve it. Infinitely many solutions means the two equations are the same line. So make them identical. Multiply the first equation by 6. 3x plus 6ky equals 48. Now compare with 3x plus 12y equals 48. 6k must equal 12, so k equals 2. Answer B. Notice we never solved the system. Choice A, 4, is the classic ratio grab. 12 over 3, matching the visible coefficients without ever scaling the 1/2. We machine checked it. With k equal to 4, the system has exactly one solution, not infinitely many. Choice C, 6, grabs the multiplier itself. Choice D copies the 1/2. Scale first, then compare. Every time. One strategy for this whole skill. The question tells you your stopping point. If it asks for a combination like x plus y, hunt for a one-step combination. If it asks for one variable, reread which one before you answer. And if it asks about infinitely many or no solutions, you never solve at all, you scale and match. Working past the stopping point is where both the time and the points leak. Recap. For traps to retire for good. 1. The wrong variable, reread the final sentence before you bubble. 2. Unfinished arithmetic, 2x equals 16 is answer-shaped, and the test puts it in the choices. 3. The slow route, solving fully when a combination was asked. 4. Ratio grabs on infinite solution questions. Every answer in this video and every wrong answer was verified by a script. That is the standard your practice should hold you to.